we're going to talk about subtracting decimals. And there are two cases. One, they're the same sign, and in another case, they're different signs. But in either case, we just need to change it to an addition problem. There are, again, lots of ways to do this, but let's just say we have negative 3.2 minus 1.7. So now these are different signs, and we can go into great detail about doing it other ways. But if we just change it to an addition problem, remember the operation goes with the number after it. There's a hidden positive right here. And so this negative 3.2 doesn't change, but then we can change both of those signs. The minus turns into a plus, the positive turns into a negative, and so now we have this, and now it's just adding two decimals with the same sign, and since they have the same sign, we just stack them, add them, take the sign of the bigger number, and we're done. That's all it is for subtracting decimals. Whether they have the same sign or different sign, don't worry about. It's two different cases, lots of different things you could worry about. But if you want to do it the same way every time, that works every single time, it's just change it to an addition problem and then do the instructions we had before. So in this case, they were the same sign after we change it to addition. And if they're different signs, you're going to stack them and take the difference. Let's take a look at one where they will end up with different signs. So let's say we have negative 11.7 minus negative 4.52. So this we're going to change to an addition problem. Remember, the operation goes with the number after it. So this becomes negative 11.7 plus positive 4.52. Now we know how to add these. We stack them with the bigger number on top. They are different signs, and so we take the difference, need to append a 0 here, borrow on this. 10 take away 2 is 8. Make that look like an 8. 6 take away 5 is 1. Decimal point 11 take away 4 is 7. And then you take the sign of the bigger number. Now, this case, we'd take the sign of the bigger number of the addition problem. So the bigger number is 11.7. The sign of that is negative. So the answer is negative 7.18. So remember, sign of the bigger number from the addition problem. And that's it for subtracting decimals. Whether they have the same sign or different sign doesn't matter until you get them to be an addition problem.